problem, I mean, with ISO, I mean, the movies that I have to produce these movies. But the problem is that ISO was not very sensitive. And also, I would like to talk today about complex carbon chemistry around evolved stars.
Meeting, and I just gave an introductory talk where I explained the challenges of the action called NanoSpace, and I gave a short overview of all the activities and events that we have done in the past 2 years, and also what are the upcoming activities for this third year that is running right now, like the training school that we are doing in Finland next August, the next plans for the database strategy group, and so I just introduced all attendees about the action and gave the most recent updates, and then I gave a clear scientific example of a topic that is my research topic really, and I do that at the IEC in Tenerife, and how interdisciplinary networking is a powerful tool to understand complex nanocarbons around very old stars like planetary nebula. So I saw how combining very different disciplines like astronomy, theoretical chemistry, synthetic chemistry, and sophisticated laboratory experiments, we can understand how furans, for example, very complex molecules, can be formed in these stars. And solving this, we can address another important mysteries in astronomy, like, for example, the diffuse interstellar bands or the ultraviolet extinction band. So we clearly need a multidisciplinary approach to solve these problems in astronomy. And this is strongly related with the main topic of the action, that attack the same problem but in a broad astrophysical context.